Meital Taub here with Livel Real Estate, and I cannot wait to show you this iconic Mark Singer home with breathtaking views here in Laguna Beach. Breathtaking views and incredible open floor plan from this great pool house that features almost 4,000 square feet. The kitchen is light and bright and opens to the floor plan with great size island, high-end appliances, and a great butler pantry, which makes it very functional. A bedroom on the main level with great deck and ocean views, fireplace and dual sinks could be used as a secondary primary suite. An oversized bonus room that opens to the pool with great ocean view is absolutely perfect for entertaining. Can you envision yourself here on a great summer day? The primary bedroom is so spacious with access to the backyard, overlooking the view, Catalina Island, and have direct access to your own private spa. A freestanding tub, a fireplace, and great natural light makes the primary bathroom feels like a spa. Not a bad place to relax in the sun. The outdoor spaces in this house are absolutely phenomenal, with infinity pool, grass, spa, and even a paddy green to play some golf. Thank you so much for joining me on this tour. Please connect with us for more information.